Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our podcast English studio. Learning English can be easy and relaxing.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for listening today.
Mark, how are you feeling today?
To be honest, Anna, I feel a little tired today.
That's okay. Many people feel tired during the day. So today, we're going to talk about your day when you feel tired.
Yes, this is a very real topic.
Mark, let's start with the morning. How did your day begin today?
Well, I woke up at 6:30 in the morning.
Did you feel tired when you woke up?
Yes, I did. I didn't sleep very well last night.
I see. What did you do after you woke up?
I turned off my alarm and stayed in bed for a few minutes.
That's very common. Did you get up right away?
No, not really. I felt very sleepy.
What did you do next?
I got out of bed, brushed my teeth, and washed my face.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, but not much. I had some bread and a cup of coffee.
Did the coffee help?
A little, but I still felt tired.
That happens sometimes. What did you do after breakfast?
I checked my phone and read some messages.
Did you go to work or school today?
Yes, I went to work.
How did you feel on the way to work?
I felt tired and quiet. I didn't want to talk much.
Did you listen to music or anything?
Yes, I listened to soft music.
That's a good idea when you feel tired. How was your day at work?
It was busy. I had many small tasks.
Did you feel tired all day?
Yes, especially in the afternoon.
What did you do when you felt tired at work?
I took short breaks. I drank some water.
That's good. Did you have lunch?
Yes, I did. I had lunch at 12:30.
Did lunch help you feel better?
A little, but after lunch, I felt tired again.
That's very normal. What did you do after work?
I went home and sat on the sofa.
Did you relax?
Yes, I didn't want to do anything.
What about dinner?
I ate something simple, just rice and vegetables.
Did you watch TV or use your phone?
Yes, I watched a little TV.
And how did you feel in the evening?
I still felt tired, so I went to bed early.
That sounds like a very realistic day. Let's review some useful phrases from today.
Okay.
I feel tired. I didn't sleep well.
I feel sleepy. I feel quiet.
Take a short break. Drink some water.
Sit on the sofa. Go to bed early.
These phrases are very useful when you talk about a tired day.
Yes, I hear these words a lot in daily life.
How do you feel today, Mark?
I feel tired today.
Why do you feel tired?
I didn't sleep well last night.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I drink water, rest a little, and go to bed early.
Now it's your turn.
How do you feel today?
Please leave a comment below. Do you feel tired today? Why?
Thank you for listening.
See you next time. Keep practicing your English.